In this question, you have to identify the types of cell junctions that help to stop the leakage of the substances across a tissue and help in communication with neighboring cells via rapid transfer of ions and molecules. Now, tissues contain three types of junctions. Number one, tight junctions, which are specialized cell junctions that prevent the leakage of substances between adjacent cells. They create a seal that blocks the passage of ions and small molecules, ensuring that materials must pass through the cells rather than between them. So, this aligns with the requirement to stop leakage across a tissue. Number two, gap junctions, which are channels that allow for direct communication between neighboring cells, and they enable the rapid transfer of ions and small molecules, facilitating intercellular signaling and coordination. So, this also matches the requirement as given in the question for the rapid transfer of ions and molecules. Number three, adhering junctions, which provide mechanical stability by anchoring cells together, but they do not primarily function to prevent leakage or for the transfer of ions and molecules. So the correct pairing is tight junctions for stopping leakage and gap junctions for facilitating communication. Hence, the correct answer is option C.